I'm gonna take this is a number 2 owner wide gap with a little bait lock on there, and I'm gonna tie that directly to the leader. Or I'm sorry, not leader. I'm gonna tie that directly to the braid. For snakehead fishing, I ain't worried about no leader. These guys are super aggressive. I'm just gonna use a little uni knot. I got 20-pound braid. I'm using black braid, which seems to blend in real nice into the water here. So I'm gonna do a little uni knot, about 5 turns or so. Zip it tight. Pull it down. That's in place. I got my spring below the knot in line with the hook. I'm gonna trim off the excess here. Damn, this hook is super sharp. Trim off the excess like that. Now I'm gonna take this frog, I'm gonna screw it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna run it pretty high up on the spring lock. Now I'm gonna take my hook and I'm gonna rig this weedless, so I'm gonna put it through about right there where I measured it. Comes through, seat that hook back down in the back, and there's your presentation. That's what we're looking for. That's the money right there. So we're going to be able to cast this in lily pads. We're going to be able to cast this right up close to the bank, and we're not going to get foul hooked on anything, and have good presentations. The more good presentations, the better the opportunity. So come along with us. I'm going to show you how we fish this thing. So what we're trying to do is, along this little ledge, we're going to be fishing about 1 foot, 2 foot off the ledge. We're looking for snakehead holding up on structure in between moss beds and the shoreline, but we're not fishing any of this deep water. That is kind of pointless to fish for snakehead. You're gonna run that frog, you're gonna cast it as far as you can, run it down the edge as to the best of your ability, and watch for a wake or watch for a strike. And then what happens is you're gonna give them a second or two to swallow the bait, and then you're gonna wanna set that hook. So we're going to walk for a couple miles here. We're going to walk down to one bridge, come back, and hopefully you'll be able to see our methodology in targeting these snakehead. Very, very critical to make sure that when it strikes, you give it a second or two to swallow that bait, because what they'll do is hit it, they'll run into the weeds or run somewhere else, and then they'll swallow it. So make sure you wait, and before you set that hook, and when you do, put the hammer down on it. Because these things have a real hard mouth, and you want to make sure you get a good solid hook set. So thanks for tuning in again, and away we go. Cast it a little bit further out into the canal. Oh. Got him. Stuck him. There he is. All right. He came out. Ah, little snakehead. Ooh, that's not a bad snakehead right there. Got him on the frog. See how much this dude weighs. 1.78, not bad. Let's get a measurement for John Gerhold. Nice little measurement for Johnny G. Like that. What do you think, Austin boy?
Oh, that's pretty nice.
Right on, right on. Let him bite it. Set the hook. That's exactly what we were talking about. So there's them teeth in there. You can see he's got some backward pointing teeth. He's got little sandpaper teeth. These guys are vicious, very aggressive.
Fun to catch.
I'm gonna throw him back in there. We're gonna tell him to go get you some, get you bigger. Take your kid fishing. That wind kicked up something bad.
Yes, sir. Now it's kind of more behind us.
Yeah. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, yeah, I stuck him, buddy. I gotta clear him off these rocks. Ah, there we go. All right, another snakehead. He hit it right in a nice clean spot. Good job, buddy. Good clean stick right in the center of the mouth. .43, not a bad little snakehead. Nice try, buddy. There's your little profile, little bullseye snakehead. There's Austin. Woo! Get a little measurement for Johnny G. Good job, buddy. Here's to another fine day full of fun and adventure. We got us another little bullseye snakehead, middle of December, out here in near Markham Park. Go back in there and get you some, get you bigger. Bingo. Beautiful, buddy. Oh, you're hit. Stuck him. All right. Walk to him and reel. Bring him up. Reel down. Bring him up. There you go, bud. That is not a small fish. That's a big old snakehead right there. Got it. All right, buddy, hold it up. There. Okay, hold him up. What do we got there?
3.5 pounder.
3.5 pound. Big old snakehead. Let's take a look at him. Like that. Woo-hoo! Big old bullseye snakehead. Hold him out, bud. Yeah! Right in the middle of the toy run. Hell yeah! Alright, let's get a measurement. Measurement from John Gerhold in the middle of the toy run. Hold him up, bud. Alright, let's get back in there.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. All right, throw them in there. Go get some. Good stick, buddy boy.